Hey guys, wanna know how to access the limited time Steampunk events in PUBG Mobile? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first off, simply open up your PUBG Mobile application. And once you're there, on the right side, you can see this various icons that contains gift, sales, and on the last, you can see this event-like icon right here. So just simply click on it. This will open the event tab. So once you're there, here you can see various options. So you can just simply sort up for version 3.8. So this is your version 3.8 upgrade right here. You can hit towards from WoW to much more. So since we want to go for Steampunk Frontier, on the first one right here, there should be Steampunk Frontier, where it contains train supply station and much more. And that's it. Super simple and easy. After that is done, you can access the event mode, and here also open various crates and stuff. Next thing you can also do is just simply click here. You can see new outfits, just simply click on it. This will open the event shop. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.